through his mother cell, so mad anyone can tell. Who could be so half in rude to make a baby girl so mad? What could have been just a shitting day? Her pretty boss being jar over money all the time to pay. Wasn't him man Sunday? She dove for a while. Harry love quick to come, another loser guy. Then there was her friend Sally, such a fine long-tongue girl. Morning sexy looks for sure. Tony had all the day. The story as a whole has time in a million different ways. Every other word is turning, just an endless storm. Keep your spirit high. Her mama heard I always say, believe in time, want you, never doubt, don't you? Give me I want you along the way. Like it's so is fed up, heading to the girls. Wants her fun, wants her tears.